my goodness. What do you think, you guys? Do I look older to you? It's my first day as 25. I look older to me. But, you know, not in a bad way, just in a more like mature, womany way. Even though I'm wearing a sweatshirt and no pants. But, you know, it's the day after my birthday. I can do whatever I want still. What's up, you guys? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, hi. Welcome to the nonsense. So, like I said like 6 million times already, yesterday was my 25th birthday. So I thought I would do kind of like a fun little what I got birthday present haul video because, well, honestly, I had a party yesterday and like now I'm so lonely in my house because there's nobody here. So I figured, you know, why not talk to you guys? I needed some company. So here we go, my 25th birthday haul. And per the usual, a bunch of other nonsense. Do you guys ever just sit around and think about how weird it is that we're legally adults? I mean, I guess if you're not an adult yet, like you don't think that, but oh my God, being in your 20s is freaking weird, man. Like I still feel like such a child, but then I'm also living on my own and paying taxes. So it's like, not to mention how some of my friends have literal children and then, you know, me and half my other friends are still on Tinder. It's like, what the heck? 20s, man. It's a wild time. Anyways, so we're just gonna go ahead and get started on my little birthday present haul. So here it is. Here's what I got. Dun, da, 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 da. I got so many things. So I guess, you know, I'll just go through it one by one and show you what we got. So first things first, we'll start with the obvious. I got a lot of flowers. We got this big, beautiful boy. Oh my goodness, it's gorgeous. This other big boy. Oh, I just love white flowers. This one next to it is actually not from anyone. This is just my table centerpiece. So pretty. I made that. I'll show you in a video later. We got these beautiful pink ones. Oh my gosh. They're so pretty. I really should have just called this video me screaming about flowers, but I don't think anyone would have clicked on it, so sorry I tricked you up, but anyways, one more bouquet. Ooh, look at this pink one. It's gorgeous. Like, I don't know if you guys can even tell for reference, but this bouquet is huge. We all know bigger is better. Diamonds and, you know, flowers too. And there's one other one. Look at this. This one is so cool. Ooh, doo, 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 doo. Ah! By the way, yes, I know my nail is broken. I had a rough night last night. Let me live. But anyways, like how freaking cool is this? It's like a Beauty and the Beast style rose. Ah! It's one of those preserved roses that I love. So this will actually last, I think, for like a year, it says on the box, which is so cool. I don't have to water it or anything. And that's my kind of plant caretaking. So that's pretty much my bevy of flower arrangements. Then I guess, well, we'll scoot right along to the cupcakes. This is such a mess. It's supposed to say B-Day, 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 but I ate one of them, so it just says Bada B-Day Baddie. Which I guess, you know, that's festive too. I told myself I wasn't gonna eat any more cake after yesterday, but I'll be healthy tomorrow. Alrighty, let's see. We'll move on to some actual presents. Oh, my beautiful friend Roxette got me this. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at the aesthetic of that. And how funny is this? It's literally still flowers, even though it's not flowers. I actually collect luxury perfumes, so this is gonna be so beautiful. So we'll put him next to my other ones to see how lovely he looks on display. Oh, side note, my highlight, bitch. Wow, iconic. Okay, anyways. Oh, what a beauty. By the way, yes, this is my outfit of the day. It is like 3 in the morning, which is why I am wearing this. And yeah, I wasn't kidding when I said I wasn't wearing pants. I'm really not, so that's embarrassing. But anyways, okay, back to the haul. Are you dying over the sneak peeks of the house? Ah, I'm so excited to show you the full tour. It's not done yet, but almost. It's coming soon. Promise. Okay, what's next? What's next? Is it weird to show you something I bought myself? So I always go to brunch at the Beverly Hills Hotel on my birthday because it's my favorite restaurant in the whole wide world. I just love it. It is so, so, so fun. So of course I had to get myself a souvenir. Ooh, how cute is that? Well, you know, now I can just sit at home and sip my tea. There's actually nothing even in this. I don't know why I did that. Like I said, guys, it's late. Or maybe I am just getting old. While we're on the topic of things I bought for myself, I also bought this for myself. This could also really be thrown into a series called Things Amber Bought Online that you really should not have bought, but you know, I loved it so much. Ah, just look at how cute he if I've ever mentioned this before, but I love birds. I had a pet bird growing up and this guy totally reminded me of him. So, you know, I couldn't resist. Alrighty, what else did we get? Oh, you guys are gonna love this one. I mentioned this before, but I have the best friends in the whole wide world. They know me so well. And you guys also know that I like have a major shopping problem. And if you're new and didn't know that, I think the fact that I'm showing things that I bought for myself in a birthday present haul kind of speaks for itself. But people don't know what to get me because if there's something I really want, I almost always buy it. So of course it's so funny when they get this creative. I died at this. Literally died. This is the funniest thing I have ever seen. It's a pillow of me and my husband. Like she literally photoshopped this and printed it on the pillow herself. This is such a good gift. Maybe this is why I don't have a real life boyfriend, but you know, who needs them when you got friends who will make you stuff like this? That's true love, kids. That's true love. Speaking of true love, look how cute this is. I know you guys are probably like, what the hell is this? Well, I'll tell you. It's actually a gift from my little sister, Alyssa. Hand twisted made marzipan. How cool is that? And this is a moose. Why a moose, you ask? Well, I think I have mentioned this before, but I used to collect moose when I was like, I would say younger, but not really younger. I was like 16, 17 when I stopped doing that. But I still love moose and she knows that. So she made me the little figurine and happy birthday. And it's just, this was so cute. She made a whole video about it too. She's like the cutest little sister ever. So thanks, Alyssa. Love you. And it's edible. I love edible presents. What's this? I forget what this is. Oh yeah! Lots more food. I got chocolate covered Oreos. I got some cookies. I even got cake in a jar. So convenient, the calories don't count on your birthday. All right, what else? What else? Oh, of course. I love cheesy love letters because, well, who doesn't love cheesy love letters? Like I said, even as someone who, you know, loves stuff, obviously, the most important thing is, of course, always friends and family and love and light around you in your life. So I think Bailey would kill me if I read any of this, but I'm gonna read you one line anyway. First of all, how beautiful is her handwriting? And second of all, you always say, what if it doesn't come true? But what if it does? And although it's so cheesy to say, I feel like since we have been friends, I never ever have to worry about whatever it is not coming true because I have you at my side. That's like the 50th time I've read this. I love you, Bailey. Me and Bailey actually met at Pepperdine 7 years ago, in addition to the rest of the crew that you guys have seen. Haletta and Selena, Josh. We all met at Pepperdine as of August 22nd. So, and I don't know if this is true or just urban legend, but I heard if you're friends for 7 years, you'll be friends forever. So, not like I didn't already know that before, but we're gonna have like a big anniversary dinner or party thing. So that'll be fun. If any of you guys are watching for some reason, love ya. Can't wait for dinner. Okay. Anyways, back to the haul. So this is the big thing that I bought myself because like I said, I love buying myself presents. Treat yourself, whatever. It's bad for budgeting, but you know, it's lots of fun. So, ready to see it? Dun, da-da-da, dun, da-da, dun, da-da-da. It's so beautiful. So this is my very first Chanel bag. It is actually a vintage bag from the year I was born, 93. Princess Diana used to own this bag. It's literally called the Diana bag after her. You can see the inside is red and, oh well, this is embarrassing. A really quick what's in my bag video. Literally a $1 bill and a Starbucks gift card, and if that doesn't accurately describe my life, I don't know what does. It is just so cute. You've probably seen me wear it in a couple videos before because I cheated and got it a couple weeks before my birthday. So I've been sporting him out around town, but it is just the cutest little bag. I frickin' love it. Welcome him into the new purse fam. We're gonna make some fireworks together. Okay, so this last thing I'm gonna show you, you guys are literally going to cry laughing. I really wish I got better footage of this, but to see now, but this is literally a sparkly cake of me and Harry Styles photoshopped onto my parents' wedding picture. You can see some better footage of the cake here, but it was all Quinn's idea. She had a lovely little fan account make the photo for me, so thank you at Scholl Styles. You're so cute. You did such a great job. It was just such a pure, fun, great surprise, and definitely got lots of laughs around the table. So who says you can't have a One Direction themed birthday at 25? Why not? Live your life, do what you want. Who's stopping you? Nobody. That's who. And there we go. That's basically all of the things that I got. However, as per the usual, I'm much more of a sentimental hoe than I care to admit sometimes. I absolutely could not be more serious when I say the absolute best gift that I have ever gotten is all of you guys. You have made my life so infinitely magical, and I literally, I don't want to cry because I cry every time I talk about this. But please know that I truly, 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 from the bottomest depths of my heart, mean it with every fiber of my being, that I love you guys so, so, so much. And I really wouldn't be here without you guys. So thank you for making all of my wildest dreams come true. I can only hope that my videos bring you even a fraction of as much joy as you guys have brought me over the last 2 years. So thank you so much for everything, truly. To the moon and back. It sounds so cheesy. Is it cheesy if you mean it? It's even more cheesy, but I'm cheesy. I love you guys. Anyways, I told myself I wasn't gonna get all emotional, so I am so excited to share with you guys all the super, super exciting things that I have coming at this ripe 25 years of age. You guys are going to be so excited. I'm so excited to tell you guys soon, I promise. And like I said, the apartment tour soon. I know I've been saying that for like almost a year, but it's almost done. Truly, actually, it is. Cheers to 25 and the next year of life together. Yes, I bought this online too. eBay, set of 4, 30 bucks. Does this count as part of the haul? Another one I got for myself? Yikes. Anyways, cheers to 25. Kisses till next time, my loves. XO. Oh yes, good night, new baby. And good night, Harry. A perfect birthday haul. What more could you ever need?